Hey, Jose, this is Paul Heck with Grassfire Digital Marketing. I talked with you the other day and just wanted to show you some things about what possibilities there are for you for your website and really building something that can push up in the search rankings for what you're wanting to be found for. I'm going to look at roofing today just because that's what I'm targeting with another site. So I'm really familiar with what it's doing in Temple, but you can do this with any of your services. So if it's, sheetrock, painting, siding, windows, anything like that you can do as long as there's a search volume down there. I'm going to show you. So here's just roofing Temple, Texas. I put this in. You've got some Google guaranteed guys up here. You've got 3 people in this map section. I myself am trying to push up into this map section as well with my T2K roofing website that I have. And you can see that in the organic section, like Yelp and Angelus and BBB is in the top 3 positions. We're trying to push in and overtake them. And then you've got this Whitish Roofing and Ron Brickle Roofing that's there, Gaff. And then below that, you can see here's T2K, and it's going to be pushing up because it's just continuing to climb and get stronger. So I'm trying to rank this site up high as I can up in this area, but you can do this with a website that you create as well. What I'm looking at is keywords and volume and how difficult it is to really rank for things. So roofing Temple, Texas, it's got a keyword difficulty of 1. There's 450 searches a month going on for roofing down there, just for that one keyword alone. And then you've got roofing companies, Temple, Texas, 90 keywords as well. And then you can also do like Belton. Type that in real quick and you can see what pops up for Belton. There's 10 more searches a month going on for roofing in Belton. And maybe it's roofers. Just try to see. Nah, not going on there. So let's see what roofers Temple, Texas has. Another 10 there. So, we're just trying to find what are the keywords that have the right volume. What you're looking at for your website is you want to have 1,500 words minimum on there. It's keyword rich. It's targeted specifically to Temple, Texas and the surrounding areas and what the keywords are that are on the site. But you got to have the content amount on there to really, for Google to pick you up and to push you up there because they're trying to rank you as the authority. So 1,500 words minimum on your website is the first thing that you do. It's keyword rich. The second thing is backlinks. So these are other websites that refer to your website that pass power to you, and Google likes to see that. Other websites are referring to yours. And then the third thing are what we call citations. These are your name, address, and phone number of your business listed on as many online directories as possible. So this is Manta, Yelp, yellowpages.com, even Facebook, and other things like that. Getting your name, address, and phone number and out there all the same way really helps push you up in the search rankings. So this company, Whitish, you can see, they've got a little bit of content on it. They've got a nice form submit, which is, a good thing to do. They're talking about residential roofing, commercial, general construction, profile their team. They just don't have enough content on their website. I mean, it looks pretty good, but graphically, but they don't have enough content on their website. And you can see that reflected over here in just how strong their website is showing up. They've got a DR rating of 0.4 and a URL rating that's not even showing up. And they've been around a little while, but their website's fairly new, so that's going to affect them, even though the company's been around. They are being found for 53 keywords, which is good. And you can look and see what those keywords are. There's your URL. Belton Roofer, 40 searches a month. Temple Roofing, 150, 0. Belton Roofing, 40 and 0. Temple Roofer, 150 and 0. So that's what I'm looking for. I'm trying to find that volume. Now, what I don't want to find are these high difficulty ones because that's really hard to rank for. Just takes a lot longer and your competition is more. So next person in line, that's ranking right now is this Ron Bickle Roofing. And you can see, they've got just cool Better Bureau rating on there. That's always good to have. A little bit of content, but not near enough. They've got enough that's getting them by. We're going to overtake them with the T2K website soon. So, but they've got a 5 on the URL rating for strength. That's coming from these backlinks that they have. That's just a little bit stronger. And, even though they're found by 38 keywords, I'll show you what I'm talking about on this referring domains. I'll click into this. So you can see that everything with like a number over here for this do follow link is passing some power to their website. So there's not a lot of power passed from these two websites, but this one right here, this firstprize.info, They've got a little bit of traffic on it. They've got, just some good referring domains coming into that site. So that's passing power to it. This site here, this homeblue.com, has got a lot of traffic. Even this expertise has got a lot of traffic, and that's passing that power onto their website, pushing them up in the ranking. T2K, this is our website that we've got. I'll show you where it ranks right now. It's pushing up. I've got a really strong website, and it's just taking time for it to push up there. 298 referring domains coming from 1,300 or 1,100 backlinks. Google's trying to pick us up for more keywords, so we're looking at that, and we've got a little bit of organic traffic. So things are starting to happen. You can see that the keywords rankings are, they're not where I want them to be, but we're moving up 3 spots there, 2 spots there. This is how this works. Just over time, this thing, just pops up there and overtakes it when you've got a stronger website. So we add a lot of content. We add blog posts and different things to our site to get it to push up. And it's just a matter of time to overtake somebody. So those are the 3 things that you're looking for: your citations, name, address, and phone number, as many directories as possible, 1,500 words of content, and getting the right backlink profile. Going to strengthen your website, push it up there. If this is of any interest of you, you can do all this yourself. It just takes a lot of time. I do this every day and love helping businesses grow. There's definitely room in that market with 450 searches a month going on for, you want to be in the top 3 positions. That's just where you want to be. There's a lot of work to pass around, and you want to pick up as much of that as you can. But I'd love to talk to you further if you want to, explore building a website and what that would look like for your services there. You can reach me at 479-326-7899. My name is Paul Heck. I'm with Grassfire Digital Marketing. Thanks.